By Coolaroo. I've got this dog bed. My dog really loves it, and we could tell because once we got it in here, the dog spent a lot more time on his bed than he ever did before. And this one's made by Coolaroo. And I know we haven't even had it in the summer yet. It's just been in the winter. But it does have one annoying thing, like all these joints get loose. And I've tried, there's just 4 screws that hold it all together. And it just gets loose over time and starts flopping around. You can see the leg moving around. And so this time I'm going to try to assemble it using some Loctite thread locker. I'm going to use the blue Prime Lock thread lock blue. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to MIG weld these joints with my welder and just make it permanent. I'm almost tempted to do it now, but I'm going to go ahead and try the thread locker and see if that doesn't tighten it up. I'm going to try the thread locker on it, and like I said, if that doesn't work, I'm going to weld it. You can see how floppy it is. It's just crazy. And we don't move it around much, just mop around it and stuff, but the screws just will not stay tight. And they are machine screws, and it looks like it goes into metal there. So it should work. I'll show you one of them. I'll do 1 or 2 and then I'll show you. I'm gonna make sure that gets on there properly. There's just still one left there. But I'll zoom in on that for you. So I'm going to zoom in on this screw. So when I take the screw out, you'll be able to see, hopefully, the metal insert there. I'll make sure that you can. So this is what the screw looks like, machine screw. And you can see, hopefully, let me get a light. I got a light on it now. See if I can zoom in tighter. So you can see the threads there. So I don't know if this is a metal piece that's swaged in around this tube, but those are definitely metallic threads, so it should hold. I don't know why it doesn't. I'm going to go ahead and put some thread locker on it. And also, of course, on the screw too. And I noticed something else about this that may contribute to why it's so unstable. It's the 2 bars there, I guess the way they assemble it. Like it just comes right out, you can see. This piece, I guess that's how you put it together. So that also might contribute to why it's so unstable. So this here would be another part if I needed to, I could weld that into position, just put a weld there, and that would definitely tighten that up. So I might end up doing all that one day. It's a little windy today for welding outside, so I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to give the thread locker a chance to work. I'm kind of doubtful that it will, because I've tightened this probably 4 or 5 times, and it manages to work its way loose. So good luck with your projects, and get one for your dog if you think it might enjoy one. It looks like it would keep it up off the floor. It looks to me like it might be warmer in the winter, because down here we have a tile floor right on a concrete slab. So I'm pretty sure the floor is cold in the winter. And in the summer, it keeps it up, you can get air under there. So I'm sure this is a pretty cool thing. I know the dog, I'm looking forward to seeing what the dog will do with it in the summer. So thanks for watching.